Welcome to 360 Degree Machinery. We're going to do a walkthrough of a legacy Artisan 5-axis 24 by 96 inch CNC router. If you have questions about pricing, availability, or if you have surplus machines you'd like to sell, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com. Also remember that all of our machines are located right here in Naperville, Illinois, and that we do not broker tools to ensure quality. We are also processing anywhere from 40 to 50 additional machines, so check back often as we do not list machines until they've been thoroughly cleaned and tested. Again, this is a legacy Artisan CNC router. It does have a 24-inch by extended 96-inch machining capacity. Single phase 220 volt operation. This is a single owner machine. It did come in on trade. The owner upgraded to a much larger multicam, a testament to what this machine can do. When he started out a couple years back, he decided he needed a CNC, didn't have a big budget, didn't have 3-phase power, purchased this machine, and now he has obviously a bigger budget and has made more money, and he has moved on. So it really does show that you can make money with these machines. This does have a water-cooled spindle. It's going to use a blend of basically water and antifreeze to cool that spindle. Again, just a really clean, low-use machine. Take a walk around back before we operate it. This is your B axis on the end. I'll come back to this later, but as you can tell, it is leveled out right now. We will raise that up and show you that it does work in a couple minutes. The drives in this machine were upgraded, I think 2 years ago, he said. He upgraded to, I believe, digital drives. You're obviously going to get the PLC with this machine as well, which is a Dell laptop. And everything you see on this table. The spindle is capable of, I believe, 21,000 RPM. We have it at 15 right now. We're going to turn that on real fast for you. Again, nice, smooth running, no issues, nice and quiet running. Turn that off real fast. We are going to lower that Z axis for you. Raise that back up. Rotate that A axis. Finally, we're going to bring that B axis up. As you can see, we have raised that B axis. Again, this is a fully functional, one owner, very, very clean, hard to find machine. If you have any questions or comments, you could reach us at info@360degreemachinery.com or give us a call at 630-229-6705. Again, thank you for tuning in to 360 Degree, helping you buy with confidence.